Good afternoon. We wanted to show you version number 2 of our simple ladder lift. Again, at the top we have our winch that we've had for many years. We picked that up at Harbor Freight, still running. We use it to pull wells and all different kinds of things. In this case, it's to run our ladder lift. Then in this instance, we have a vertical sled. This is made out of a piece of scrap plywood. We've got two 1x4s on each side, and that's actually our trailer tongue block that we stole off of our trailer and just screwed it to the plywood. At the top, we have our D-ring that hooks to the winch. We'll show you that in a minute. And this is just our Louisville 24-foot ladder that you see in many of our videos for pulling wells and other things. The only difference is, in this case, the ladder is flipped backwards so that the two sections, when the sled gets to the sections that intersect, it can just bounce over it. So we'll go up to the top and show you the top. So here's our setup at the top. Of course, we got our air hose running over the ladder. Looks a little messy, don't worry about that. This is our winch, simply bolted to the top rung of our ladder. And our winch hooks to the sled with this D-ring. Very simple. And the only other thing we did was put these, we'll call them bumpers, on the side of the sled. That just keeps the sled from getting caught up on anything on the ladder. We got one on each side. And this sled isn't hooked or attached to anything. It's just, see? Just the weight of the shingles or whatever you're trying to haul up. Put pressure against the ladder. It just comes right up. You don't have to do anything. I've seen these different with wheels and brackets and all kinds of stuff. No, this is just a simple sled, and we've used it with no problems. And again, just make it out of scrap that you have laying around, or if you have to buy some stuff, let's get a piece of plywood and a couple 1x and something to put on the bottom to hold it, and put your equipment that you already have to work. Probably the only thing that you won't have is this winch. And you can get these at Harbor Freight, $119 or so. This is $20.25. Really makes it worth it.